My favorite way to use the Rollga roller is for my back. As a Pilates instructor, I use my arm-back connection frequently. Trying to avoid my neck, making this stronger can make it awfully stiff. Most rollers can't really get your back very well because you have to avoid your spine. The way the Rollga is shaped, in this peanut shape, your spine fits in zone 1. So zone 2s can massage the muscles that line your spine, your postural muscles. For me in particular, I need that. To do it at home, you're going to move to where the roller just sits above the flat part of your back. This is a bony place that doesn't like to be rolled. There's not enough meat there, so it would feel unpleasant. When you roll back, you have options. So some people like more pressure and some people don't. So if you're new to this, you're going to grab the back sides of your thighs and you can just drag your bottom on the mat. And you still feel pressure because the Rollga shape is going to allow you to dig in a way that other rollers won't, but it won't be as extreme. I'm used to a lot of pressure, so I lift my glutes up. You'll notice that that's putting more tension in my neck. So I'm going to interlace my fingers like a basket. I put the back of my skull in the basket and I press my head back. That is allowing my upper back muscles to turn on. I'm going to pull my shoulders wide and it'll give me more surface area to roll. So as I pull down and push up, I start to listen for the parts that are the most cranky. You're going to feel that there's some areas you want to avoid. Unfortunately, those are the ones you get to hang out in. So for most people, it's going to be the middle of the back, right about here. It's your thoracic spine. You're going to hold there and breathe. Usually about 30 seconds is good. And then you're going to start to rock up and down above that spot, helping to loosen it up. And then you'll do full passes back, up and down. In order to get to the top of your back a little bit better, you're going to pull your elbows in towards your ears. You're still going to push your head back into your hands, but now you need to focus on pulling those shoulders down. When you do that, you'll be able to get the hard to reach places towards your neck more effectively. It's where a lot of people carry tension that can lead to tension headaches. And again, those passes slowly up and down, 4 to 6 times, and then you're done.